Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will be unboxing Google Home Mini, a smart speaker by Google. In box we get a smart speaker, some manuals, and a micro USB adapter which we need to plug it while using it. It has micro USB port and a switch to mute the microphone. I will upload a detailed review about this product soon in this channel, so stay tuned. Now let's check the sound quality of this speaker. Hey Google, play NCS music.
ठीक है, वॉरियो का मॉडल्स YouTube म्यूजिक पर चल रहा है।
You can increase or decrease the volume of the speaker by the touch controls. Okay Google, what's the temperature in Delhi?
दिल्ली में फिलहाल तापमान 22 है।
These are the best speaker at the price of 2000 rupees. Thanks for watching this video.